Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will draw this 2D sketch into 3D. As you can see that how it look like in 3D. So let's start. So first step is to change its viewport. From where I can change its viewport, you can see the minus symbol in the left side. Click on there, viewport configuration list to vertical. And why I am changing this? Because I can keep this sketch at one side and another side I can draw it into 3D. So let's decrease its size. Okay, yeah, this side I will draw it into 3D. So the distance between the two circle is 105 as we can see there. So let's draw a line of 105. First of all, let's change its view in face in front, so we can easily convert it later into 3D. So now let's draw a line of length 105 and 105, enter. Okay, let's make the circles. The diameter of that circle is 30, so radius will be 15, because we all know that radius will be half of the diameter. So another is 30, enter. At this side radius of circle is 10 and 42 is diameter. Then okay, you can also make it by using diameter, like click here D, enter, and diameter value is 42, enter. So the circle are done. Then our next step is to draw this portion, this arc, which radius is given there, that is 60. So see, enter. I will use 10 radius. You can see the bottom, you can see in the bottom. See, enter, then click 10 radius, click the first circle, click the second circle, give the radius value. The radius value is 60, enter. Trim the unwanted part, we don't need this. And you can see there the distance between two arcs is 8, so I am gonna offset this 8. O, enter, 8, enter. We don't need this line anymore, so delete. Trim the unwanted parts, this one and this one, enter. Okay, let's make the big arc. That radius is 115. So again I will follow the same rule. See, enter, 10 radius, enter. Select first circle, select second circle, 115, enter. Yeah, I knew it. So I will make it by arc. So from here I will take start, end and radius, because we all know that what is the starting and ending point and the radius value. So click there. So here this will be start, end, and radius value is 115, and okay, we get it. Then again offset O, enter, 8, enter. Now trim the unwanted portion, this, enter. Okay, you can see here fillet has been applied there of radius. How many radius? That is 8. So F, enter, R, enter, 8, enter, multiple. So for multiple, M, enter. Click this point, this, and this, again this. Click 2 point. Okay. Okay. So done. Now I will make this small portion. So the length of the line is given there 33. So let's make a line from here. That should be 33. Enter. And the width is 8. L, enter. 8, enter, enter. Move from midpoint and here. L, enter again. Now trim the unwanted part. This. Okay. Okay, I think our 2D sketch is ready. So let's convert it into 3D. By the help of pressful, I'm gonna convert this into 3D. Type PRESSPULL, pressful. This portion M for multiple and this enter is given there here 20. So the width of the object is 20. Enter. Again pressful. This portion M, enter, and this one, that is 10. Okay, let's change it into shaded of gray so we can see it clearly. Yeah, our drawing is looking good. Now we have to move this portion. So select here how much? 10, it means 5. We have to, yeah, done. Now our drawing is almost ready. We don't need the 2D sketch anymore, so let's erase them. Select all this 3D sketch and move there here. It's look like bike, no? Yeah, it's like bike. These are two tires. Okay, let's back to the topic. So we have fillet here, that is radius 8 again. Fillet should apply here. Okay. Fillet edge I will use F, enter, fillet edge, R, enter, 8, enter. This one, I don't know which one I'm going to use. Let's see. No, wrong. I'm gonna use fillet command F, enter, fillet is this one. I think this one. Yeah, enter. Now it's look like the same. Let's convert it into realistic so we can get a proper. Yeah, okay, our drawing is ready. Now change its viewport into single. This, turn off the grid. Here is our drawing. Let's color this drawing by using MAT material. Enter. Go to Autodesk library. Let's use a metallic paint. Apply this blue color. Looking good to all the objects. As you can see that our 3D drawing is ready in just few minutes. Wow, really look very nice. So thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you again.